Hi warriors, so today I have for you ZWOW number 13, and 13 is my lucky number, so this workout is special. So today we're doing Tabata training and it's going to be 16-minute workout. What we do is that we have 4 different exercises. We have 4 minutes for each exercise, and the way it works is that you're going to work really hard for 20 seconds and then you have only 10 seconds rest. So it's really hard, you really don't have much time, you're just going to move from exercise to exercise. And yeah, so that's it. So I'm gonna put this down. I have my app on iPad here ready. Prepare, is it? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, switch legs, opposite arm. One, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. This is really hard for balance. Switch legs. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Switch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Switch. I can already feel the burn. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Switch legs. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, switch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Switch legs again. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the next exercise, which is bunny hop for the Easter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27. 10 seconds rest. This one is really hard, it's a great cardio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 20, 25. Now you should be already sweating. 1, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I went from 25 to 16 reps. That's because it really hurts here. Six, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17. This one is hard. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my God, this is such a burnout. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ow, 8, 9, 10. New exercise. Oh my God, I can't even think. Okay, weighted leg lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's incredible. This is only 6 pounds. It seems like 100. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to really keep your lower back pressed into the ground, into the mat. It's really important. And if you need to, you can bend your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have to bend my knees because it's so hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. 2 more rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more, last one. You're gonna really feel it in your abs. It's an ab killer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. Now I'm gonna do the last exercise, which is the worst exercise ever. It's really hard. Jump and burpee. 2, 3, almost 4. I didn't even know that I can jump that far. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, don't give up yet. I'm not giving up either. We have to finish this workout. 3 more rounds. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Last round. 1, 2, 3. Oh. And that's it. It's over. I'm really proud of you that you stuck with me through this workout because it was a really hard workout. I want to sit down, kind of. You shouldn't sit down, really. You should be really working at cooling down after your workout. Then you can do your stretching. That's really important too. So, I hope you guys enjoyed our 13 workout that we did together already. And I'm just looking forward to read your feedback. If you enjoyed this workout, what would you like to see next? You know, if you enjoy more bodyweight workouts or if you like to add some equipment, just let us know. So, you know, guys, when I was doing this workout, I kind of lost track of my reps. I wasn't writing it down, but we have it on video. So you're gonna see how many reps I did, and you can try to beat my reps. I'm really encouraging you to try this. You know, you can follow this workout rep by rep with me, but then really try to beat my reps. Try to beat your own reps, because this way you're gonna avoid the plateau and you're gonna be becoming more stronger and leaner. So that's what you're aiming for. So that's it for today. Ciao. The new site is coming. We have a new site.